Hi, welcome to Membership Websites. My name's Mark. How do you edit the section just down here? Let me just show you. If you go to the admin area, go to Settings, Design Settings. Then we're going to go to Home Page and then Content Display. And we're looking for the home page here, a divider, which is here. We just edit the settings. And here we can control what icons we use. So let me just change this to handshake. We'll change the star just so that you can see it on the front end to a Q, just so that you can see some of these changes reflected. You can choose the font color, so you might want to make it red instead of white, and you can use icon. You can change the icon color, so you can do all that there. You can also remove all of these variables. So these are all just calling text labels, which you can find in your settings text labels. So if we want to reword one of these, we could just take this out, for example, and put search our website today. And we'll correct all that spelling. Today. There we go. And then we'll save. When you save it, remember to save this page just up here as well. We're going to go back here. We're going to refresh. And you're going to see that the icon colors have changed, the text colors have changed, and also the wording search our website today has changed. So that's how you edit the hero divider on your website. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.